Welcome to today's video. Today, we're bringing you 12 amazing kitchen gadgets that will completely transform the way you cook. From high-tech appliances that make meal prep a breeze, to innovative tools that save you time and effort, these gadgets are perfect for any home chef. Whether you're looking to elevate your cooking game or just make things easier in the kitchen, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in and explore these must-have kitchen essentials that will make cooking fun and efficient. Say goodbye to messy, time-consuming grating with the Skillet Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. This manual hand-crank grater comes with 5 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for all your shredding and grating needs, including thin slices, wavy slices, coarse and fine shredding, grinding, and julienne cuts. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply lock the suction base onto your counter, select your blade, place it in the transparent hopper, click on the handle, and rotate. The tilted hopper design ensures smooth operation with no clogging or jamming, making food prep effortless. Plus, its detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Designed for safety, it includes a blade storage box to keep everything organized. Upgrade your kitchen with this efficient and hassle-free grater. Get yours today. The Skillet Travel Electric Kettle is your perfect companion for tea, coffee, and more on the go. Designed to be portable and lightweight, its compact 8.8-inch size makes it easy to carry when traveling, camping, or working in the office. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel and 100% BPA-free materials, it ensures safe and healthy water every time. With a maximum capacity of 380 milliliters, it features a hidden socket for a sleek look. The 4 smart temperature presets range from 140 degree to 212 degree Fahrenheit, ideal for different beverages. The LCD display shows the real-time temperature, while its rapid heating system boils water in just 5 to 7 minutes. The safe steam outlet prevents pressure buildup, making it perfect for brewing tea, coffee, or even warming milk. Whether you're at home, in a hotel, or on the road, this mini kettle is a must-have travel essential. Whisk, mix, and bake your favorite desserts with the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer. It features 6-speed settings, perfect for mixing bread dough, cake batters, meringues, and whipping cream. At lower speeds, you can stir and mix delicate ingredients with precision. The 3.2 kg mixing bowl is ideal for small families or couples. It includes high-quality attachments like a whisk, beater, and dough hook, all easy to attach and clean. The 4 strong suction cups keep the mixer stable, while the transparent anti-splash lid prevents messes. The tilt head design allows easy access to install or remove the bowl and accessories. Weighing less than 7 pounds, it's easy for anyone to use and store, making it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or limited spaces. Available in multiple colors, it suits various kitchen aesthetics. The kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is an excellent gift and a must-have for any kitchen. The Dash Deluxe Sous Vide Style Egg Bite Maker lets you make fluffy, protein-rich egg bites at home in minutes. Compact and lightweight at just 2 pounds, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. With a 14-ounce capacity, it includes 4 mini silicone molds and 1 large mold, making it easy to prepare breakfast sandwiches, healthy snacks, or desserts. Just prep, pour, cook, and enjoy. Designed for keto, paleo, gluten-free, and vegetarian diets, it's great for meal prep and busy schedules. Plus, the sleek red design adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. Non-electric parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Cuisinart automatic bread maker makes homemade bread effortless. With a compact design, it doesn't sacrifice functionality. Choose from 3 crust options: light, medium, or dark, and select your preferred loaf size: 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you can explore fresh bread recipes with ease. The included recipe guide lets you try everything from gluten-free and artisan bread to jams and sauces. Designed for maximum efficiency, it takes up minimal counter space. A viewing window and interior light let you monitor your bread without releasing heat. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan ensure quick cleanup. Its easy-to-read LED display offers functions like bake-only mode and a 13-hour delay start, so you can wake up or come home to freshly baked bread. Enjoy hot, bakery-style artisan bread right from your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. The Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker lets you enjoy fresh, homemade soup in just 18 minutes. No waiting, no planning, and no extra appliances needed. Simply add your ingredients, select one of the preset programs, and let the machine do the work for you. Create your favorite soups with the perfect texture in as little as 18 minutes. With special programs for different soup styles, the Philips Soup Maker makes it easy to prepare pureed, chunky, and more. There's always a way to make life better with the Philips Soup Maker. The Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven is the perfect kitchen companion for fast, versatile, and healthier cooking. The Chefman Turbo Fry Touch lets you cook food quickly and oil-free with 2 3-quart cooking baskets and independent touchscreen functions. The dual control system allows you to cook different foods at the same time, while Sync Finish ensures both dishes are ready simultaneously. Featuring easy view windows, an LED shake reminder, and a high fry function for an extra crispy finish, the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch takes air frying to the next level. The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven is the perfect way to cook your favorite foods evenly and efficiently. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. Just set the timer, and it begins baking immediately. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides quickly and evenly. Since they are separately controlled, you can choose top, bottom, or both for the perfect results. Use the bottom element for a crispier crust for a bubblier topping. The open design lets you watch as your pizza bakes to perfection. The timer signals when your food is ready and automatically shuts off the heating elements. Once done, simply remove the non-stick baking pan for easy cleanup and storage. Unlike traditional ovens, the Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and saves up to 60% energy compared to a conventional oven. For families on the go, the Pizzazz Plus gets meals and snacks on the table fast, from chicken nuggets and quesadillas to grilled sandwiches, cookies, and cinnamon rolls. It's a must-have for any kitchen. The New Wave Oven Pro Plus air fryer combines conduction, convection, and infrared technology to cook fresh or frozen foods up to 50% faster than a conventional oven, using up to 85% less energy. With a 10-pound capacity, it features 360 surround cooking for even heat distribution and linear thermal technology for precise temperature control. This PFAS-free oven reduces fat drippings, ensuring healthier, flavorful meals. The shatterproof power dome adds durability, while 100 pre-programmed presets allow for grilling, roasting, broiling, baking, baking, air frying, and more. The intuitive controls let you adjust cooking time and temperature on the fly, making it perfect for busy households. Skip the defrosting and preheating. Go straight from freezer to table for ultimate convenience. The Elite Gourmet Ceramic Electric Skillet is a versatile kitchen essential for quick, efficient cooking. Its large 12 by 12-inch cooking surface is perfect for preparing family-sized meals. The durable ceramic non-stick surface ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. With adjustable temperature control from 200 degree to 425 degree Fahrenheit, you can cook everything from fish to stir-fries. The embedded heating element ensures fast, consistent, and even heating. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent allows you to monitor cooking progress. For safety, it features cool touch backlit handles and a knob. The skillet is easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. There's nothing better than delicious sausages and brats, and the Johnsonville Sausage Grill just made them even better. Simply open it up, load it up, and eat it up. In just minutes, you'll have a delicious, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside masterpiece with no prep, no flare-ups, and no mistakes. Craving mouth-watering breakfast sausages? The Johnsonville Sizzlin' Sausage Grill Plus can perfectly cook sausages, links, or patties in under 8 minutes at the press of a button. It even comes with a fresh dinner sausage plate for searing perfection every time. Cleanup is a breeze, making it the perfect choice for any meal. It's sausage for every occasion with the Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill and Sizzling Sausage Grill Plus. The Aroma Professional Digital Rice Cooker is a compact and versatile kitchen essential, perfect for individuals, couples, and small families. With a capacity of 4 cups uncooked, 8 cups cooked, it's the ideal size for quick and easy meals. Cook any grain with ease using 6 modes, including white and brown rice cooking, and a removable steam tray for multifunctional slow cooking. Sensor Logic technology tracks moisture and adjusts heat, while the saute then simmer function enhances flavor with low heat. Use the BPA-free steam basket for 2-in-1 cooking, allowing you to steam food while grains cook below. The foolproof design includes a non-stick pot, pre-marked water lines, 15-hour delay timer, and countdown for easy meal prep. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering these 12 amazing kitchen gadgets. If any of them caught your eye, or you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome kitchen tips and gadget reviews. We'd love to hear which gadget you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking!